All right, guys, Happy Curves sent my wife an awesome product, and it's making me happier by doing some happier curves here. This is the Smoothie 2.0, 2-in-1 Bikini and Body Electric Trimmer. She said she was going to have problems if I used it on myself, so we're going to go ahead and play with that game. So here we go. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what we're working with here, because as a man, I'm always curious, are there better razors out there? That is the question. Okay, so let's see what we got in the box by Happy Curves. You got a charger, USB, USB-C, super important. You got your little bikini body how-to guide. You got an adjustable guard. Step 1, choose the desired guard. Step 2, Step 3, and Step 4, rinse the blade underwater, which is nice. You can check out different links there, and then you do have a little brush there for cleaning apparatuses. So this does go down to either bare skin or 7 to 9 guard, and that's a 0.5 to 3 guard. There, you have a really nice top or head for it. You can use that one, or you go with the traditional head, which a lot of people use, which is this one where you can put your guards on. Let's go ahead and check out how we pop a guard on this bad boy and see what she shall do. This should be very simple, I do believe. So you're going to come from the top just like that, and boom. So if you want to move it up a little bit, you can. Just a nice little push, right? 4 different settings for each one, depending on the length that you're looking for, right? Makes it super simple and super easy to use. Oh, okay. Nice. On. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy, just like that. Bam. This thing has a nice little comfort. It's like a matte finish to it, which is super nice. Let's go ahead and pop on. Let's see how it is to pop on another one of the heads here. Okay, from that perspective, I do believe it is, oh, just pop it right off. No twist whatsoever needed. You just go ahead and boom, like that. And let's go with bam, just like so. And we're up and running. Super quiet, right? Super quiet. I'm not sure that really matters. Let's go ahead and see, right? Not any issues of that right there. Very gentle on the skin. Kind of digging it. Kind of digging it. They need to make a Smoothie 2.0 for men. They call it the Bourbon 2.0. I better believe it. So here you have it. This is the Happy Curves. And hopefully this will make things happy with proper shaving. Check it out.